Last chapter we studied matrices. In this chapter we studied part D, partial fraction. First upon what is partial fraction? First upon what is partial fraction? Partial fraction is the fraction p of x upon q of x. This fraction is called partial fraction. Then types of partial fraction. What is types of partial fraction? Here, first is when denominator has repeated linear factor. Repeated linear factor. Suppose p of x upon ax plus or minus b and cx plus or minus d. Then how to write partial fraction? A upon ax plus or minus b plus b upon cx plus or minus d. Then we give second case when denominator has repeated linear factors. Suppose p of x upon ax plus or minus b raised to n is equal to a upon ax plus or minus b plus b upon ax plus or minus b square plus up to so on n upon ax plus or minus b raised to n, where a, b, c up to n are constant. Then third is when denominator has distinct irreducible quadratic factors. Suppose p of x upon a1x square plus or minus bx plus or minus c1 into a2x square plus b2x plus or minus c2. Then we write a upon a1x square plus or minus b1x plus or minus c1 plus cx upon plus d upon a2x square plus or minus b2x plus or minus c2. Then we give first example of partial fraction. First, resolve into partial fraction of x minus 2 upon x minus 1. Then first upon given x minus 2 upon x minus 1 is equal to a upon x plus b upon x minus 1. This is first equation. And then we write x minus 2 x minus 1 is equal to a into this plus b into this and x into x minus 1. Hence we get x minus 2 is equal to a x minus 1 plus b into x. This equation is called second equation. Then for a we put a ची व्हॅल्यू काढण्यासाठी b मध्ये 0 यायला पाहिजे. सो a put x is equal to 0 in equation 2. Hence 0 minus 2 is equal to a 0 minus 1 plus b into 0. Hence we get minus 2 is equal to minus a plus 0. Hence we get minus a is equal to minus 2. Hence we get a is equal to 2. Then we find b. How to find out b? For b we put b काढण्यासाठी a 0 आला पाहिजे. त्यासाठी x is equal to put x is equal to 1 in equation 2. So 1 minus 2 is equal to a 1 minus 1 plus b into 1. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus b. Hence which get b is equal to minus 1 value, and this a and b value put in this equation 1. Hence we get the answer. This value put in equation 1. What is the value of a? is 2 upon x, and is the value of b is minus 1 upon x minus 1. Hence we get x minus 2 x minus 1 is equal to 2 upon x minus 1 x minus 1. This is the equation is solved. Then we get second example. Resolve into partial fraction action 2x plus 3 upon x square minus 2x minus 3. First upon given 2x plus 3 upon x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 3 upon x multiplication minus 3 and addition minus 2. So we get x plus 1 x minus 3. Here multiplication is minus 3 and addition minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Then what is this value? This value is a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 3. This is equation 1. Then we multiplied this value then a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 1 upon x plus 1 into x minus 3. Hence this and this will get cancelled and we get 2x plus 3 is equal to a x minus 3 plus b x plus 1. This is equation 2. Then for a व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची असेल तर एक्सच्या ठिकाणी बी 0 आला पाहिजे. सो एक्स इज पुट एक्स इज इक्वल टू -1 in equation 2. Then we put x is equal to -1 is equation 2 -2 plus 3 is equal to a -1 minus 3 plus b -1 plus 1. So we get -2 plus 3 1 is equal to a -4a plus 0 into b 0. So we get a is equal to -1 upon 4. Also find out the value of b. For b साठी ही व्हॅल्यू 0 आली पाहिजे. सो पुट x is equal to 3 in equation 2. So 2 into 3 6 plus 3 is equal to a 3 minus 3 plus b 3 plus 1. Hence we get 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 3 minus 3 0 into a 0 plus 3 plus 1 4b. Hence we get b is equal to 9 upon 4. Hence we get this value a and b. So this value put in equation 1. Put this value in equation 1. इक्वेशन 1 मध्ये पुट करायचे. इक्वेशन 1 काय, 2x plus 3 upon x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to a upon x plus 1 plus 9 upon 4. a म्हणजे काय, -1 upon 4 plus 9 upon 4 x minus 3. Hence we get this answer. Then we give third example. Resolve into partial fraction fractions x square plus 1 upon x minus 1. First upon given fraction is x square plus 1 x minus 1 is equal to x square plus 1 x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. So x square minus 1 is x minus 1, x plus 1. Here we use the formula a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. Then first upon find out this given x minus 1 x plus 1 is equal to a upon x plus b upon x minus 1 plus c upon x plus 1. This equation is called first equation. Then x square plus 1 upon x minus 1 x plus 1. Then we put here x, so this multiplied by these 2 x minus 1 x plus 1 plus b, here x minus 1, so we multiplied by these 2 plus c, this is here, and we multiplied by remaining elements x and x minus 1. Hence we get this equation. This and this same, this and this will get cancelled, and we get x square plus 1 is equal to a x minus 1 x plus 1 plus b x plus 1 plus c x minus 1. This equation is second equation. Then for a, then we find out a, b and c. Then for a we put a ची व्हॅल्यू पुट करण्यासाठी हे दोन्ही 0 आले पाहिजेत. त्यासाठी कोणती व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे x इज इक्वल टू 0 x इज इक्वल टू 0 इन इक्वेशन 2. So we get x is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to a, 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1 plus b into 0, 0 plus 1 plus c into 0, 0 minus 1. Hence we get 1 is equal to minus a plus 0 plus 0. Hence we get a is equal to minus 1. Also we find out b. How to find to b? For b, this and this value will get same, will get 0, and so we put x is equal to, hence we put x is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 0. So we put x is equal to 1 in equation 2. Hence we get 1 square 1 plus 1 is equal to a, 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1 plus b, 1, 1 plus 1 plus c, 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0. So this and this will get 0, and so we get 0 plus 1 plus 1 2b plus 0. Hence we get 2 is equal to 2b. Hence we get b is equal to 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. So we get b is equal to 1. Also find out c. For c, put c फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी या ही आणि ही व्हॅल्यू 0 आली पाहिजे. त्यासाठी here put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Hence we get minus 1 square 1 plus 1 is equal to a, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus b, minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus c minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Hence we get 2 minus 0 0. So 0 plus 0 minus 2 plus 2c. Hence we get 2c is equal to 2. Hence we get c is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. These a, b and c value put in equation 1, and hence put this value in equation 1. Hence we get x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 is equal to a ची व्हॅल्यू काढली -1 upon x plus b ची व्हॅल्यू 1, c ची व्हॅल्यू 1 upon x plus 1, which is required partial fraction. Then we give next example. then we give next example of this type. For the example, result into partial fraction. Result into partial fraction x square upon x4 minus 1. Then how to resolve this? First, upon given fraction is x square upon x4 minus 1, which is equal to x square upon this will get x square minus 1 x square plus 1. Since we use this formula, a square plus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b, and here we put x square is equal to t. Hence we get x square upon x square minus 1 x square plus 1 is equal to t upon x square means t. So t minus 1 t plus 1. Hence we get this fraction t minus 1 t plus 1 is equal to a upon t minus 1 plus b upon t plus 1. This equation is first equation. Then we give second equation. Then t upon t minus 1 t plus 1 is equal to a into t plus 1 plus b into t minus 1 upon t minus 1 t plus 1, and this get cancelled. Hence we get t is equal to a t plus 1 plus b t minus 1. This is second equation. And then we find out a. For a पुट करण्यासाठी ते 1 घ्यावा लागेल, हा 0 यायला पाहिजे. सो पुट t is equal to 1 in equation 2. Hence 1 is equal to a 1 plus 1 plus b 1 minus 1. Hence we get 2a plus 0. Hence we get a is equal to 1 by 2. Also we find out for b, we put this value get 0, hence t is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Hence we get minus 1 a t minus 1 plus 1 plus b minus 1 minus 1. So we get 0 plus minus 2 is equal to minus b. Hence we get b is also 1/2. Hence, this value put in equation 1 put this value in equation 1, hence we get 1 upon t minus 1 t plus 1 is equal to a means 1/2 and t minus 1 plus 1/2 t plus 1. Then finally, but t is equal to x square, hence we get x square upon x square minus 1 x square plus 1, put this value in x square, 1/2 x square minus 1 plus 1/2 x square plus 1. Hence we get this answer x square upon x4 minus 1 as 1/2 common, and 1 upon x square minus 1 plus 1 upon x square plus 1. Hence we get this partial fraction. Then we solve next example. Example 5. Resolve into partial fraction. E raised to x plus 1 upon e raised to x plus 2 e raised to x plus 3. Then first upon put e raised to x is equal to t in partial fraction. Hence we get t plus 1 upon t plus 2 t plus 3 is equal to a upon t plus 2 plus b upon t plus 3. Hence we get multiplication t plus 1 upon t plus 2 t plus 3 is equal to a into this plus b into this upon this into this. Hence t plus 1 is equal to a into t plus 3 plus b into t plus 2. This is first equation, and this equation is first upon find out a. For a put a find out करायचं, b0 आला पाहिजे. So put x is equal to -2 in equation 2. x is equal to -2 put करायचं. So we get x is equal to -2. So -2 plus 1 is equal to a minus 2 plus 3 plus b minus 2 plus 2. Hence we get minus 1 is equal to 1 into a plus minus 2 plus 2 0. Hence we get a is equal to minus 1. Also find out b. Also find out for b. Put b find out करायचं असेल तर हा 0 आला पाहिजे. तो put t is equal to minus 3 in equation 2. Hence we put minus 3 plus 1 is equal to a minus 3 plus 3 plus b minus 3 plus 2. Hence we get minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 0 0 a plus minus 1 b means minus b. Hence we get minus b is equal to minus 2. Hence we get b is equal to 2. This value put in equation 1. This value put in equation 1. Equation 1 काय आहे? t plus 1 upon t plus 2 t plus 3 is equal to a upon. So a ची व्हॅल्यू काय आली? minus 1 upon t plus 2 plus b ची व्हॅल्यू 2 आली. So 2 upon t plus 3. Hence then we put but t is equal to e raised to x. Hence e raised to x plus 1 e raised to x plus 2 e raised to x plus 3 is equal to 2 upon e raised to x plus 3 minus 1 upon e raised to x plus 2. Hence we get this partial fraction. Then we find out the next example. Then we find out the next example. Result is solved into partial fraction. Solved into partial fraction. X square upon x square plus 1 x square plus 2. First upon given partial fraction, x square upon x square plus 1 x square plus 2, which is equal to put first upon put x square is equal to t plus 1 t plus 2. since x square is equal to t, then t upon t plus 1 t plus 2 is equal to a upon t plus 1 plus b upon t plus 2. Then we multiplied these. Then a into t plus 2 plus b into t plus 1 upon t plus 1 into t plus 2. Hence we get t is equal to a into t plus 2 plus b into t plus 1. This equation is second equation and this equation is first equation. Then we find out a. For a, we put t is equal to, for a we put t is equal to, here get minus 1 in equation 2. Hence we get t is equal to minus 1. Get t is equal to minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 plus b minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and a plus 0. Hence we get a is equal to minus 1. Also find out the value of b. Hence for b put t is equal to, याची व्हॅल्यू 0 आली पाहिजे, त्यासाठी t is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. Hence we get minus 2 is equal to a minus 2 plus 2 plus b minus 2 plus 1. Hence we get 0 minus b. Hence we get b is equal to 2. And this a and b value we put in equation 1. Put these values in equation 1. Equation 1 काय तर t upon t plus 1 t plus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon t plus 1. A means minus 1 and b is equal to 2, so b upon t plus 2. But t is equal to x square, so t upon x square plus 1 x square plus 2 x square upon is equal to minus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus 2 upon x square plus 2. Hence we get x square plus 1 x square plus 2 is equal to 2 upon x square plus 2 minus 1 upon, which is the partial fraction.